Assalamu alaikum. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Today we are starting our next lesson, lesson number 4 of Noorani Qaida. In this lesson, we will read new 3 signs. These signs are called movements. One sign is Fatha, which is written above this Alif, and one which is written below the Alif. This is Kasra, and one which is written on the Alif. This is Damma. So, Fatha sound, it gives sounds upward. Just I read it. And one thing note that when there is a sign of Fatha, Damma, or Kasra with Alif or Jazam, which is also called Sukun, then that will not be read as Alif. That will be read as Hamza. Hamza. So it is Hamza Fatha Ah. You notice that the sound it gives is upward. The next is Hamza Kasra E. Hamza Kasra E. Next is Hamza Damma O. This was the spelling. Now we will read it as the letters are written. Ah, E, O. The three are Hamza, but it gives different sound. First one is Ah, and the second one is E, and the third one is U. Ah, E, U. Due to this reason, this is called the lesson of movements, harakat. It means that these signs, which is one is above the Hamza, which is Fatha. It gives the movement to the letter upward Ah, and the second is Kasra below the letter, below the Hamza. Its sound is E, and third one Hamza Damma U. So these movements of a letter according to the signs on it, it is called movements. So it is very important to note that which sign is along the letter, and the sound will be also make according to the sign. The Fatha sign gives in word English letters A, and the it is for Fatha, this one sign, and the Kasra sign, it is gives the sound of E, and the Damma sound, it gives the sound of U. Just note it. Hamza, Fatha, A. Hamza, Kasra, E. Hamza, Damma, U. Hamza, Damma, U. So now I read it without spelling. Ah, E, U. Move to the next. Ha, Fatha, Ha. Ha, Kasra, He. Ha, Damma, Hu. Ha, He, Hu. Ha, He, Hu. Ha, He, Hu. Next one. Ain, Fatha, A. Ain, Kasra, E. Ain, Damma, U. Ah, E, U. Ah, E, U. Next one. Ha, Fatha, Ha. Ha, Kasra, He. Ha, Damma, Hu. Ha, He, Hu. Ha, He, Hu. Ha, He, Hu. Next one. Ghain, Fatha, Gha. Ghain, Kasra, Ghi. Ghain, Damma, Ghu. Gha, Ghi, Ghu. Gha, Ghi, Ghu. Next one. Kha, Fatha, Kha. Kha, Kasra, Khi. Kha, Damma, Hu. Kha, Khi, Hu. Kha, Khi, Hu. Kha, Khi, Hu. Next one. Qaf, Fatha, Qa. Qaf, Kasra, Qi. Qaf, Damma, Qu. Qa, Qi, Hu. Qa, Qi, Hu. Next one. Kaf, Fatha, Ka. Kaf, Kasra, Ki. Kaf, Damma, Ku. Ka, Ki, Ku. Ka, Ki, Ku. Ka, Ki, Ku. Next one is Jim, Fatha, Ja. Jim, Kasra, Ji. Jim, Damma, Ju. Ja, Je, Ju. Ja, Je, Ju. Ja, Je, Ju. Next one is Sheen, Fatha, Sha. Sheen, Kasra, Shi. Sheen, Damma, Shu. Sha, She, Shu. Sha, She, Shu. I repeat it. Hamza Fatha A, Hamza Kasra E, Hamza Damma U, E U, E U, Hamza Fatha A, Hamza Kasra E, Hamza Damma U, E U, Ha Fatha Ha, Ha Kasra He, Ha Damma Hu, He Hu, Ain Fatha A, Ain Kasra E, Ain Damma U, E U, Ha Fatha Ha, Ha Kasra He, Ha Damma Hu, He Hu, Ghain Fatha Gha, Ghain Kasra Ghi, Ghain Damma Ghu, Gha Ghi Ghu, Ha Fatha Ha, Ha Kasra Khi, Ha Damma Hu, Khi Hu, Qaf Fatha Qa, Qaf Kasra Qi, Qaf Damma Qu, Qi Qu, Kaf Fatha Ka, Kaf Kasra Ki, Kaf Damma Ku, Ke Ku, Jim Fatha Ja, Jim Kasra Ji, Jim Damma Ju, Je Ju, Je Ju, Shin Fatha Sha, Shin Kasra Shi, Shin Damma Shu, She Shu. And one thing which I want to, and one thing other, that this Fatha is also called Zabar. So you can say it Hamza Fatha A or Hamza Zabar A. It is also Zabar, but some people call it Zabar and some people call it Fatha. This is Hamza Kasra E. It is also called as Hamza Zir E. It is also called the Kasra sign as Zir. This Damma sign is also called Pesh. So it is Hamza Damma U or Hamza Pesh U. Our today lesson is completed. So we will continue it in the next class. And if you have not subscribed to our channel, then subscribe to this channel English Quran Academy and watch the videos regularly and keep practice. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.